Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add answers to Google Form. If you're creating a quiz or test using Google Forms, you can add correct answers and assign points to each question. This allows Google Forms to automatically grade responses. Now, I'll guide you in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open or create a Google Form. And to do that, just go to docs.google.com/forms and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. After that, open an existing form or create a new one. For this example, I'm just gonna open an already existing form. The second step is to switch to quiz mode. And to do that, just go to the settings tab and click on it. Once you click on it, go to the quizzes tab and toggle make this a quiz. It's the first option right here. Make sure you toggle it here. You can also choose whether to immediately release grades or review responses manually. Like you can see here, the release grades section. You can choose immediately after submission or later after manual review. The third step is to add questions and answers. And you can go back to the questions tab and you can add questions by clicking on the plus button right here to add a question. Now you can add a multiple choice checkbox or drop down questions from this menu right here. And you can click on the answer key at the bottom of the question and select the correct answer and assign points for the question. The fourth step is to provide feedback. Click on Add Answer Feedback to provide explanation for correct and incorrect answers. You can do this right in this field for incorrect answers and this field for correct answers, and click on Save. The fifth step is to save and test the form. And to do that, just click on the preview. It's the eye icon to test your quiz. For example, this is a quiz right here. You can test it. You can submit a response to ensure answers are graded correctly. Adding answers in Google Forms allows you to create self-grading quizzes and tests. This is useful for educators, online assessments, and training models. Make sure to review answer keys and feedback before sharing the quiz. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.